Alright, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to be using shrimp. We're going to go ahead and take the shells off these and devein them. We're going to be using some ginger, and we can prepare that one of two ways. We can either peel it off, or with our knife edge we can just take the outer layer of skin off, and then we're going to dice that up. We're going to be using garlic in all three of our dishes today, and we're going to mince that for all of them. We're going to take this jalapeno, and that's going to go in our cucumber salad. We're going to cut off the ends and take the seeds off. We want it spicy, but we don't want it so hot that no one can eat it. We're going to have this cucumber, which we are going to wash and slice. Also in the salad is going to be diced red onion, and we're going to slice this red pepper. We're going to be juicing 2 limes and 1 lemon. The 1 lemon we're actually going to run through a strainer so that we don't get any of the seeds out, so we don't have to later go through and pick them out. We have our white onion. That's going to go in our jasmine rice. So we have rice, and instead of using water, we're going to go ahead and make a vegetable base. We're also going to be adding butter to it to make it a little bit creamier. We're going to have some oil to saute. We're adding some sugar to our cucumber salad. We have some Worcestershire, which we're going to finish our rice with. We're going to have black pepper and white pepper. We have some salt, some white vinegar, and then we're going to add oregano to our shrimp.